Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable dark mode on Discord. Perfect for those late-night gaming sessions or when you just want to give your eyes a break. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you grab it from the Google Play Store. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on You. This is where you can access your personal settings and preferences. Next, you'll want to tap the gear icon, which is located at the top right corner. This will take you to the settings menu, where you can customize your Discord experience. Now, scroll down through the options until you find Appearance. Once you see it, give it a tap. This section is all about how Discord looks, so you're in the right place. Now, look for the Theme option and tap on it. This is where you can choose whether you want a light theme or a dark theme. Finally, select Dark at the bottom. And just like that, you've enabled dark mode on Discord. The dark theme not only looks sleek, but it can also help reduce eye strain, especially in dim lighting. And there you have it. You've successfully switched to dark mode on Discord. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!